有一些比较糟的这些，这个一定要荆州来把个关。
So she invited Wu Shunqing, a specialist in the protection of unearthed and waterlogged cultural relics, to help them. Wu Shunqing graduated from the Department of Polymer Chemistry at Wuhan University. He's the first director of Jingzhou Cultural Relics Protection Center, a leading institution dealing with the restoration of waterlogged bamboo slips. The institute's ability in decolorizing and dehydrating waterlogged wooden, bamboo, and lacquerwares are unmatched. When and wherever waterlogged wooden bamboo slips are unearthed in China, Wu Shunqing and his team will be on hand to advise.
所以就是不能在高头来回刷，就那点点的洗对，如果是点不下来就泡一下，因为它有些泥土比较结，泡一下了以后再洗，所以一般的碱都是洗5、6遍、6、7遍，多的可以洗到30遍。这不能一次想把泥洗干净，可能纸也洗干净了。
With Wu Shunqing's help, the team are making good progress. The work is the test of patience and care. It has also sprung a few surprises.
你看昨天这个碱，糊得很糊的啊，脏东西看不到。
是啊，这个清洗之后好清楚。
你清洗以后好清楚，你看，这个字迹很清楚，是吧？